Finally. Let me just...
Kitties, go in your shelter.
Let me just go.
Kitties,
Oh,
kitties.
what a beautiful
I'll
day.
give you the street if you come to the shelter.
Yeah, so beautiful. Oh no, it started to rain. I better just go. Oh no. Is that a tornado? Oh no, I better go. There's a tornado chasing me.
Okay, go in your shelter, kitties. Because whenever it's raining, you always have to go in your shelters.
Hey sis, there's a tornado outside.
Oh no. What about my cats? I left them in my shelter.
I don't know. I guess they could stay there. We need to go hide.
Yeah, where do we hide?
What's the steepest point we have? I guess we can only hide under here because it's the steepest point.
Oh, what about my cats? What is this little pillow doing here? I never saw this pillow do.
I don't know.
Let me get it here. Yeah. Or do I play?
Oh no, I just heard the wind.
That must be the one from the tornado.
Yeah. Oh, nah, that's a strong wind.
Oh no. I'm checking how my cats are doing in that shelter.
I need to go see the tornado. It's all the way there. It's coming.
Well, good luck. Try not to get sucked up from the tornado.
Wait, so what are you gonna do? Sit on your bed and do nothing? You can die.
I'm watching my cats so they don't get hurt.
If you're doing that, you can just bring your cats with you, and all of you won't get hurt at once.
Kitties, I close the door so they won't escape, because they can escape. Okay. I said get out.
That was lighting. There is lighting! I have to go hide.
I said I need to. Kitty.
Oh no, it's getting closer. I hear the wind. It's getting faster. Oh! Oh no, I'm pinned. Oh no.
Kitties. Come on, let's go, kitties.
I'm pinned.
Harry and Mia, let's go.
Wait. I think I know a spot. We need to go outside though. Quickly, it's outside. We need to go quickly. The tornado is not there yet.
Mia, what are you doing? Come down here.
Oh no, the wind's getting stronger.
Jerry!
Come on.
Come here. Right now.
What?
We need to go hide. Why did you leave the door open?
Come, we need to go. Come.
Hey, what about my cats? I need to go with my cats.
Don't worry about them. They'll be safe. I just know an underground spot. It's right there where the dog and cat are sitting. It's right in this bookshelf. There's an underground.
Kitties, let's go.
Okay. Hello, kitty. Oh, you're my cat. You can just sit here. I don't... So what about your cat?
Down here, kitties.
Okay, this is the underground spot that there is only in this whole entire town. I don't know why there's no bunker.
How are we supposed to get back up?
I don't know. Guess we wait until the tornado stops.
Yeah, but how are we gonna get back up? That's the question.
I don't know. There is an elevator here. Let me try. Oh yeah, it just worked. Oh, but it's still raining. I guess let me just go down.
You know why? At least I did bring this little torch with me so I can light up this place.
Oh, that did a lot. Let me go see if the rain stopped. Oh. It's getting kind of dark, actually. Come on, let's go. Go into the elevator.
Why?
Need to. I just need to get a lead for you.
How my cat gonna get up?
I guess you just need to move, and they could just teleport to you if the leash falls.
Oh, wait. Come here, kitties. Come up this ladder.
Ooh.
Oh no, what about my cats?
Oh, there's a ladder. Just come. Just follow me. The cats will... You're just standing there, so the cats will not even be able to get up. They're just gonna be standing there like you are.
Get up, kitties.
Where they even are they?
I feel like we need to make a staircase. Somehow. Okay, let's try somehow making a staircase.
Come on, kitty.
Come on, cats, we need to go. Like, this is serious. Like, we need to go. Or else we won't make it. Quickly, cats.
Come. Kitty, come. You need to go if you're... Oh, there's an upstairs. There's even an upstairs. There's just one quartz block that's out of the way. Let me just...
Hey,
There's
worry
even-
about the kiss.
Oh no, thunder's striking. Let's go. Let's go home. I need to fall asleep.
Yeah. Don't
Maybe
tell
the-
me to put my cats in the shelter.
The tornado might stop if we go to bed.
Quickly. Cats, let's go.
Let's go. Come on, come on.
These cats. Come on, let's go. This is an emergency. Not a experience where you just run around and just jump. Get up. Get up. This is an emergency. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Kitties. 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 Why are you on? Kitties. Close the door. They're gonna escape. Okay, I need to open the door for them.
Hungry.
Sit.
Okay, let's go.
Sit. Come on, kitties. Get in your shelter. And we'll all be safe.
Yeah, we'll all be safe. Let us now fall asleep. Oh my.
Go. Mia. What did I tell you about not going in your shelter? Go in your shelter. Just stop sitting there and just do nothing. Okay, come on, let's go to bed.
It's a beautiful day.
Okay, kitties. It stopped raining.
Did the tornado stop?
Yeah.
It's finally a
Kitty.
day.
Kitties,
Normal time.
stay in the shelter so no one can steal you. I'm gonna lock the shelter here. I'm gonna go to my bro. Hey, where's my bro? Oh, here he is.
There's so much cool stuff here.
Hey, bro.
What?
Hey, what should we do?
I don't know. The raining stopped. There's nothing really to do. I just liked it when it was only raining.
We were only, but for some reason, yesterday my cats weren't even going in the shelter and they were just running around.
Oh, that's kind of a you problem. That was a you problem because I was already sleeping.
I do not know. Hey, what is this?
But the wind was very strong.
Oh, a horse. Let me ride it.
But it was kind of cool. Well, the day ended.
Basically, we're trying to ride this horse.
Yeah. If you want to watch more videos, just go to my channel. Now, bye!